Hi, my name is Hugo and welcome to Hugo's Desk. This is a really short video, it's like a first impressions video, but I got something really cool in the mail a few weeks back. BenQ sent me this. This is their new monitor. Basically, it's an on-camera display with 2000 nits. It's called the BenQ PVS7. And I mean, just look at it. It's really sturdy, really well constructed, and it's really a first for BenQ. I mean, I wasn't expecting this. I'm quite surprised. I mean, they usually do monitors, and so I was really surprised for them to be making a video assist. But I guess it's, it makes sense. Since they make them big, why not make them small? Now, full disclosure, of course, BenQ did send me this unit for review, but you already know me. I'm super honest on my reviews. I always show the pros and cons. I always do a professional review from my experience as a filmmaker and my experience as a visual effects supervisor. The box includes everything you need, and it's really nice actually. Very simple design, but very effective. Really cool is that it has its own cage. It also, as per usual with BenQ, it includes a paper manual, which is really refreshing these days. It also, of course, includes the individual calibration report. This is going to give you all the information about the accuracy of the display from factory. The display has both HDMI and SDI, which is really nice. It's really refreshing to have both of them. And this is not mini SDI. It's actually a proper SDI connection as well. And it has loop, so you have two connections, so that you can daisy chain with the monitors. I will have a full video on this monitor, but as a first impressions thing, I just went out and just tested it out, and I went to Bushy Park to test this bad boy. And you're probably asking, why did you go to Bushy Park? Well, I decided to go and film some deers because that's what you do in Bushy Park. And I mean, why not? I mean, just look at them. They're so pretty and so cute, and they're just there, just like eating and mushing away. It is really nice. As I said, this is a 7-inch display and it's 2000 nits. And so it's so bright that I can actually film in pure daylight. As you can see on the footage here, I have the sun directly hitting the monitor and I can still see the entire display. I can see everything I'm filming. Just as a comparison, just look at how much worse an in-camera display is. It's so dark, and then when you compare it with the BenQ 2000 nits, it's like night and day. Of course, it also has all the custom controls. It has zebra, focus peaking, built-in scopes, you name it. It even supports, you can load LUTs with the SD card. And really cool is that it has a sun hood. Look at that, that's so cool. It actually is a really sturdy sun hood as well that you can just attach it. I wish it was magnetic, but it takes a bit of time to put it in. Maybe the next time, version 2, maybe it can be magnetic. But anyway, I'm already starting the review, sorry. Expect a full review very soon on Hugo's Desk, and this review is going to go really deep into everything into this on-camera monitor. I'm going to test the factory calibration. I'm going to test several LUTs with it and see how that goes. I'm going to, of course, test the quality of the screen with several pieces of footage. I'm going to also test the usability of the menus, of the connections, of the touch screen. I'm also going to test the battery life, and see how long it lasts with regular operation. I'm going to, of course, also test the temperature operation as well. You name it. I'm going to test everything on this video. But for now, that is it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.